Hi everyone, it's Craig right here. Just walking through the park. We got open fires here. Just going for a little walk through the historic park of Goldstream Park. It's got beautiful park benches. Right now you can't really go past certain points because there's a geological assessment going on, because there's been a lot of trees falling down in the park, as you can see. So yeah, just got to be careful in this park right now because there's a lot of things happening here. As you can see the beauty around me. A lot of these big trees are falling down. You can see they're really tall trees falling. As I showed you in my last video, like this big tree here coming up, how it fell, came down in the one of the winter storms we had here. The force of this tree that came down, it's a long tree. So the force of this tree that came down is unbelievable. Goes all the way across the river. I even have to be careful here in case the tree comes down. So God bless you. Amen. See you in a bit.